Today we are doing something super quick and everyday makeup look in under 10 minutes. Yes, you heard me. Less than 10 minutes. Because honestly, who has time to spend an hour doing makeup every morning? Definitely not me. So let's get into it. Welcome to my channel. First things first, clean base. I use simple micellar water to wipe my face. Then I go in with primer, especially around my oily areas. You guys already know I keep talking about this oily skin situation. We are not about to look like shiny fried chicken before the day even starts. Okay. Next, foundation. I use my Flawless Ivy foundation as a highlight. So I place it under my eyes, middle of my forehead, chin, basically all the areas that pop in photos. Then I apply my Super Stay foundation on the rest of my face, but I don't blend yet. Just trust the process. Guys, I don't have liquid blush, so I just go in with my powder blush. Simple, quick, done. Then I add my complete cover right under the blush for a little extra definition. Now the part that brings everything together, blending. I dab out the lighter foundation with one sponge, then I use another sponge to blend the Super Stay foundation. Remember, don't drag, just dab, dab, dab. Otherwise, it will look like you fought your makeup this morning. brows are super simple for me. Just my brow gel, nothing too serious. Everyday look, no stress. Now mascara, guys, I have to be honest, I really don't know how to brush this thing properly. Like, am I supposed to start from the roots, the tip? I don't even know. If you're really good with mascara, please drop some tips for me in the comments because I need help. Seriously, let's make this interactive. Teach me something, guys. Okay, so moving on for lips, I always start with my Beauty by Bracy lip oil because no dry lips on this channel, okay? Then I go in with my Barbie Dreams lip gloss. It gives that soft pink everyday vibe. To finish, I set with a little powder to keep the oil away. You guys know the struggle already. And then lock everything in with setting spray. And boom, hold it is definitely going to come. Everyday makeup done in under 10 minutes, perfect for work, school, or just stepping out and still looking cute with no stress. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course leave me that mascara advice in the comments because your girl clearly needs it. See you in the next one.